Is it a problem if we drink water, 3 liters of water within 3 to 4 hours of period? I think I only consumed 1 liter today, maybe around 1 liter of water today. So I think maybe I can today before uh, like today I can I need to drink like 2 liters more, right? So I can spread it throughout the day. What do we have today? Let's see. Quickly, yeah, bearish to this low on ES maybe. Same low we have here, but that could be it's a random zone. We inverse all this. We have session we closed up here. We swapped all this liquidity on daily or also on ES could be in a spot of yeah, we just rebalance into this 4 hour delivering us into this low to met the thing. So that could be the condition for today. Maybe into this low. Which low is this? Okay, 10 a.m. on Thursday, June 11th. That is reasonable target. And this is our intraday target. If we need to check if we have any type of like reason too long. Yeah, we rejecting of this 30-minute fair value gap. Speaking liquidity over this 30 minutes. Sweeping again, once again. We have the low intact on here also. What do we have now? Are we inside of any type of gap? Not yet. Do we want anything? I don't think so. Don't even drop on that stuff. Yeah, we have a 15-minute fair value gap just above this level. That could be the condition, like we can trade into this on open and can trade over. Name? Eh? ഞാൻ ചെറിയ പരിപാടിയില്ല എന്നാ ഇല്ല ഇപ്പൊ പറ്റത്തില്ല ഇപ്പൊ ഒരു പരിപാടി നടന്നു. Okay, we have this 5-minute all here, so we need to, if we inverse this 5-minute, that doesn't mean anything, so we are still bearish anyway. We don't have any, we have this 15-minute protecting this 30 minutes, so overall bearish bias is the 15-minute on ES also, like it's good. We can look for a pretty good patty swing, and this might be a rejection block. We have the bearish structure also, like you can see that here. The thing looks good, not a problem anywhere, anything. we didn't sweep this low. On yes, either made a relatively equal targets. Okay, this is better, right? Okay, great. I have enough reasons to go short today. Do we have any reasons to not go short today? I don't think so. Everything looks good enough. Rebalance, inversion, disrespecting, bullish, prospecting, bearish. All good. Just need a tap. That's our condition. This is our condition. Let's see what Anthony have for today. Before that, we need to type our bias clearly. Wait. Backtester, I think, yeah, no, backtester. No, who for Jim, Water, this good try. Yeah, all good before open, yeah. The wish bias word targets on yes. 15 minutes some hustlers. Okay, this okay, what do we have now? Do we open? We need to get a screenshot of this. Right. Okay, great. Copy, paste it over here, and the 15 minutes. That's it. And the one high time frame, 1 hour maybe. For 4 hour, editing on the 4 hour is better. The 50-minute doesn't count, so I will take it one more time. Okay, everything good. Inside of the 15 right now, before open, so open the 50. This both of these assets are in a 15. I will be good. I look for a receipt rather than taking a trade right from here. So I'll wait. Let this 5-minute index already got mitigated, no problem.
Close past the 50% as well as the CISD. Not in this instance because there is like other time frame. Yeah, it's because of being so close to open. But the idea, just so you guys know, like say, imagine this was like a regular trade. This candle closing like this, like normally would be like kind of sketch for our IFVG. And honestly, it's a pretty good one, but it would be the close below the 50% of the manipulation leg plus the CISD plus the IFVG when that happens. Or even if there wasn't a fair value gap here and you just got like the close below the 50% strong, as well as a CISD.
Oh, we are respecting this
On a
1
good
hour
entry rise
on
and
this
on
kind of bad.
spot. So I low key like care about like the IFVG in certain instances. Like if it's a strong enough level and I get that manipulation candle close, I'm telling you that shit's heat. Like it's like serious heat. It's crazy. It's actually crazy.
Let it tap into that 15-minute also. Like this.
Sweep out a bunch of daily lows already. Is it higher RR? It's not higher RR, but what it is more versatile for finding valid entries.
I don't want that 5 minute to get. Right, I will end
Looking
on
more so. Yeah, honestly, like this 30-second low key. I'm not gonna recommend you to swing for my first trade. This is technically what I like. And this is.
Okay, instead of 5 minutes. Yeah, we need to wait for the 5 minutes.
2 minutes.
Instead of 5 minutes, so we can't take this so valid.
So like honestly, the instance where it fades depends on conviction in the draw more than anything else, honestly. Like literally more than anything else. So in this instance, even though we were bearish, I actually wasn't super high conviction in
Fuck,
this, just
bro.
because this low swept out a bunch of previous day lows. We already dumped the fuck done. So if I had more conviction,
Waiting for the 5 minute version for the high time frame conversion sucks, to be honest with you.
So it is definitely like
If we didn't tap into that 5 minute, bro, I will rip this trade, bro. Fuck me. This is either a TP or a break even or a fail my stop until right there. Fuck this shit, bro. I'm fucking tired of this.
But it'll be dope.
Do we have any bullish reasons to go long? Nah.
Yeah, low-key, like
I
I was
draw for
expecting
Raider.
so nice and calm without you guys. And in a way it kind of was, but it also felt like not right. It was not the emotion that I expected, honestly, to have happen from me. Yeah, I thought I was just gonna be like hella blocked. I almost was less locked. I like kind of was less locked in. Yeah, I don't really think today's gonna be that good either. I think that this week in general has been pretty tough, pretty lame. Um, kind of like a lame setup. What's up, buddy? I'm alive. I've been better. I've certainly been better, but it's okay. Happy to be here.
Do we have any
Happy to be
valid
back at work.
lines?
I just had a sick family member, and then also my ankle has been mentally derailing me.
Reasons to go higher? Yeah. Be a good trade, but not very convicted about this.
Sorry that happened to you guys. That break even. W day. W Anthony fade for once, right? I said I didn't want to take this because I didn't think that low. I thought that low might be a little low. Zodiac, maybe you got my faith back right there. Yeah, that's how I'm saying it too, yeah.
There's a 1 hour RB,
Yep.
but again so biased, so we can't take that.
So you still want to see one of them re-sweep the high. It's one of those suckers. SMT. And then to the downside. Now the one issue with the cap model, I wouldn't even call it an issue. It's just that, like, some of the trades that I was ripping, I like would just never have the ball back to rip on mine yet, and so you just have to like adjust. Nice man, it's sick. I just have to adjust all the way. I gotta get used to it. It's like some of them by the end of the month of data, I was literally I was kind of almost just like testing the limits, just like to get a feel for just how powerful what I had found was. And I was ripping setups that I would probably never take. I mean that honestly like wasn't really like that was like a real I don't know. Would you want to sweep this 50-minute terminal high? Yeah, I think so. Take any trades in Asia lately? I took one Asian trade. Yes, you take shorts off open? Yeah, I'll take a or oh did I? You mean that? Yeah, what do you think about this first entry short that loss? It should have been a break even, not a loss. Motivator. Even if you didn't break even, it still shouldn't be a loss. But
All trades, we have no trades here. A 15-minute midnight trade.
damn. Oh, you took the first one you're saying, Jim? I thought you meant you took the second one.
We could have taken this 15 seconds.
This is scam model-esque.
Oh, 30 seconds? Okay. Not taken this 15 seconds. Look at this 1-to-1. Wow, nice. Look at it, it happened exactly like I want.
Uh,
There's no trade, we have no trades here.
Tough to get to. Honestly, I didn't think it was going to be super low resistance. I wasn't 100% convicted in the draw, even though it seemed like we were pretty obviously bearish.
We could take this 5-minute, like, maybe. Not very convinced in that.
It's got. Let's see. The hell? I didn't realize it's about. My stock would just be not in a protected spot at all. Oh, that's the other thing. That's the other thing actually that I was changing up a little bit with the cab model stop loss placement. I think it's fine, Chip. I mean, I personally have never been a huge this fan, tuna swing fan, daddy swing fan. Just because sometimes like the opening volatility, like Like sometimes it just gives you super clean delivery to wherever you're targeting, but other times it does some stupid shit. Like this. Other times it does some stupid shit. So it's like always annoying to me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I knew there was something in there. I couldn't remember what it was. You're right though. That was the thing that first
Raul,
one
all
so
time for
shit.
some tea sauce.
The first one actually wasn't very good.
That was not.
Edging it's 15 minutes.
Ah. Fuck, bro. I'm sad we didn't. I might take TP order when they reply to the You're writing so much, a lot. Nothing for us. I will just refill my water. We can drink some water.
Better. I don't think you could. Could you have got right the first one? Yeah, but honestly, would have been dumb. Kind of dumb. That's fine. So, sideways, huh? Sideways, dude.
Okay, we have one.
What's up? So you got the first and second. The first one's a phone my favorite for sure, I think. The second one, I think, is better. So also, I meant to say that. It's like alpha's consistency indicator. Like, so then my consistency was still cooked, and then I lost $1,000 the next day. And then
Like, if this 1 minute fails and we rehire from the 15 minute, I might take it. And it is 1 minute to fail.
he said you need 1,300. That's what it said. Trying the cat model. A micro. Just so you guys know. A literal micro. Just because I'm not cat model yet. How do you get budget and print itself? What's a cat model? Don't worry about it. It's new. Not released to the public yet. Basically, it's just us. Oh, I think I fucked it up actually. Because it wasn't a CIS, did it? We'll see.
Exact thing happened a few plans, so
I fucked up.
to be honest, there is none of CSV. A lot of fella and that lot.
It's like so. It's like
Ah, okay, I'm out there. Like the SMG is right there, so
it's not around right. It's not fuck around's not the right way to describe it. It's not fuck around right. It's just like I'm trying something new. Because I'm trying to
his other was around here. Read from this. We have a CIST, I might play this one. No CIST, not on street. This looks bearish as fuck, bro. We have CSITs on the 1 minute.
Sucks. Go cat model. Right, it's just the worst price action in history right now. Well, I called it the murder family. So I only took it 'cause I was trying to do the new. It's like, it wasn't set up, I would like too much. It did have a little time for SMT though.
Um, do we have SMTs?
The murder family. Speak to that.
Now we will recap.
Support the Johnny.
Now we will recap. Okay. Now we are going to be bearish now.
This shit is super good.
And it's
Murder family. Okay. Yeah. See. It is. Bible. What's up, Ronan? We could be at. I was thinking of taking that one.
this is the true manipulation, man. Let's just think it would be the true manipulation. It's all good, bro. I'm saying you, this is so good. We have the EQ rephrase, everything we have one. We got disrespect for 5 times play. The inverse is 1 million rupees. For full risk.
Our
And there is no Ella. Yeah, man. Fucking AMT. Not just inverse, bro. Just give me a super bearish cancel. Just give me one. Some good setup. Every day fucking me up for no reason. I don't want the 2 minute to open, bro. I need the 1 minute inversion. Give me a 1 minute inversion. Come on.
yeah, I'm on a load one. I think just yeah. So and targeting a little higher.
I'm buying opening at 3 minute, bro. I don't like 3 minute side on the 1 minute. Just give me a 1 minute inversion. Okay, bro, I get it. You don't want to. Maybe wait for the book. Okay.
So I'll go through that. Yeah, brutal drill. Brutal. What's our resistance? Remember I said I didn't really want to take a short there. That low beam. That
I don't think that's my understanding. We didn't set any obvious rules.
low for one. Resistance up, low.
Then this high is also higher resistance. If this is a higher resistance, this high is also higher. So we don't want that to be.
How's it? Resistance. It's low. Just what? Oh, this. Go for what's true manipulation on that entry? Yes, was at a 15-minute. Already hit the 15. That's up to.
Is respecting Polish. What the fuck do you want, my king?
Yeah, Mateo dying for true manipulation. It's like if either of them are in a place to distribute it all, right? So if there's no like they're not in capital. All right, Greg. Always gonna answer Canada.
No.
Look at the conditions, right? Like look at this is the 30-second. Look at the 5-minute. Right, it's horrible. That's why I wasn't gonna take like a full real deal, you know.
Might take this one. I think that one. The product, right? Yeah. Bro, me too, bro. But I don't want to.
It's a 4-hour internal high, yeah. Take that. Crash out traffic. We can talk about it after. Come on. Kill it. Greg, if it's your first, Greg, so you say you never give up on trading, right? It's your first funded ever, right? So you're not even that deep into this, dude. It's a Canada of your first funded. That's what everybody does. Totally fine.
Yeah, an SMT, bro. Give me an SMT, bro. The fuck.
Crash outs going. Damn, we'll go over.
Give me an
You
SMT
don't
with
have
that
to try
high.
and keep. Yeah. You don't have to try and keep set. Okay. So it's a belief that you shouldn't be upset. That's like bad, you know. Because then it compounds. Then it compounds on top of each other. Like, boy, just because you're losing when you're early on, it feels like that's the feedback, but the real measuring stick of how well you're doing and how you're progressing is based on how well you're
Yes,
following
that is.
in your plan.
Sucks.
And if you do how well,
Trading sucks, buddy.
you're winning, even if it doesn't feel.
Selling is that. I just. because what we stepped on.
Yeah, definitely mainly bad conditions. Like it's horrendous conditions.
Tab SMT J30 nothing.
Yeah, we can talk about site game after. Really like that as a true SMT. Yeah. So I kind of just think with the momentum of price that it's going to end up hitting it too. Like it was more of just a delayed deal than it was an SMT. So in terms of cap model, not mistaken, like so want to be bullish now. This 15-second has good LOI. Get rid of 15-second if you wanted. Testing out the new shit. Why, as we go into those, why I'm starting to flip to being bullish. I mean, honestly, I'm kind of just thinking out loud. It's not a definitive. I mean, I'm trying to look at the market in almost a whole new way, like versus what I did. But basically, what I'm thinking is, if we look on the hourly chart, right, like this most recent swing, closing strong above the 50%. Greg, it looks like your patience is awesome. That's my takeaway. See, your takeaway from that screenshot is you think you're doing what bad probably because you're losing. But to me, I think that for that being your first fund, you've done an incredible job of being patient. Something that's incredibly difficult to do. And your risk management doesn't seem so bad either. You might just be trying a little too hard to find the right setup because if your entire focus is on A plus setups, that one you just took was pretty far from it, right? Like you did that one wasn't great. The middle of the chop deal. So you might just be overthinking some, but also it's the same thing as it is for Tropic and some other guys in here where you're working so hard that you're eager, understandably, to get money as anybody is, but you're underestimating how early in the game you are. And there's two ways you can look at that. You can look at that as it being a frustrating thing, like a frustrating thing that's like damn, like I'm impatient, like I just want time to go on, like fuck. Or you could look at it as a weight off your shoulders when you realize that it's totally okay and understandable for you to not make money yet. And honestly, looking at it from the second perspective is going to make it so that you make money faster. That you're going to get to the point where you're making money quicker if that's the attitude you have about trading. I think was, I mean, I took it with a that's fucking around too. Or no, not the same one actually. this is just bad conditions. Like this is just brutal conditions. Like look at this. This is a 30-second of just inverses in both directions. Both directions. Traffic is not even close to a year. However, traffic is still 7. If I was doing 1.5 years still isn't that long because you're 1.5 years in. But how long have you been learning the right things?
I get a second load before tapping.
Right. Yeah. 6 months in, basically. Like all the time you spent otherwise learning the wrong things is, yeah, that's a whole different thing.
I mean, this bro, I like this. I'll go breaking under stream.
On the shorts down here, it was kind of mechanically just mid, but it was okay. We're delivering off of this thing. It's all right, I'll look it over after. I'll look over trades after. I gotta focus up on trading.
There's a tiny 2 minutes, but then we have 5 minutes. A lot of time for SMGs. Pretty cute. I just hope I don't.
So hard, dude. That is the one thing about being back on stream is that I was adjusted to actually looking at the chart instead of yapping.
What's that nose for?
Greg, what if you knew that system? What if trading's just a stressful thing and you're always going to get stressed? Then what would you do? Would you be super desperate to get rid of the stress, or would you start to accept that that's part of the game you signed up for? Trading is never not stressful, bro. It doesn't go away. It's a fucking stressful ass thing we picked to do. Excruciatingly so. I actually saw, I think, Dave or AG or someone like that. I don't really remember his name's Abel. Maybe. One of those guys posted a video, not you, the dude with the curly hair, the wife already. He's already got a wife. He's young. Abel, yeah. No, not BJ. Abel. It was Abel. He posted a video the other day talking about how, or no, maybe it wasn't Abel. Maybe it was like the, it's like Indian. AB. Yeah, AB. It's AB. AB posted a video I saw talking about how it just never, like, it doesn't go away. Like, even when you're winning, it doesn't go away.
Look at this one long.
Oh, AB was.
Former rebalance, yeah. Not bad. At 5 minute call, kind of have a good moment. But even if it is available, we are breaking like this.
So I wanted to be closer. show this to myself. I was like down here. I don't know if I like short too. I don't really love it. Trying to feel like other 15-minute just closed. Right?
Okay, if I take it down here, this one is
Yeah,
around
we could
here.
end up
And I
chunking
take
it in
off
the 4 hour. So I guess
Wait,
if we
that
got a
would
strong
be a
enough
120.
delivery, I'd be open to considering it.
But I ended around here. Sit on my hands for better control. Fuck it.
ES also has all this right here. Like thinking in terms of what's offered above and below, you have one swing point with us clearly manipulating up, respecting bullish, all this LR versus low time frame LR on NQ, but high time frame, not really. This is already here too. Just a thought. Just a thought. Yeah. That makes sense though. That's part of how I've been switching up the way I'm looking at bias too. Pull back up. Well, why would this right here? Yes, I do this. I'm not taking this, I don't think. Depends, Daryl. Depends on the conviction and control. Got it, Greg. Yeah, bro. Nothing more valuable than that. Joseph's an old head like me. Or that. That's not what I thought Joseph was gonna say, honestly. I was saying it because to be young is more valuable than anything. Like you have infinite time. You have infinite time. Like just think, I didn't start doing this till I was 24. So you basically have a 5-year head start to get to where I'm at. No, I don't really like shorts. I want a short to the 15-minute, but I just don't think it makes a ton of sense narrative-wise. This feels like a setup that I've taken a pass, but I think that with this right here on ES, I expect it to fail. I heavily disagree, Joseph, with that sentiment. I think that could not be less true. The market moves on human emotion. Can't exist without it. If it was just bots and AI, it would become too efficient. It wouldn't work. The only way trading stops working the way it, if there was AI, it would become too efficient. The market would like cease to exist. I think it's an unlisted link. I can try and find it for you later. Let me tell you. The only way trading stops working the way that it works now, like stops working altogether with human participation, would be literally like if the economy collapsed. Because trading has been around way before anything, like when before computers and internet should work the same way. Just like obviously not electronically. There's already been AI and bots running trading for years, right? Like years and years. And even as they improve, like I actually it's a lot, Joseph, and basically if like AI took over like that, if AI took over like that, trading, like the nature of this movement, everything would
The fuck is this, bro?
it was like that's like my favorite way of regurgitating what it was that I heard. You guys see it? You know, regardless of if work on that first attempt, it didn't work for me. Lost. That. For once, Anthony faded a trade and it actually lost. Crazy. It's good. Just for the next, like, week, I don't even care. I literally don't even care. I'm willing to take losses right now, like, integrate this into my. It's kind of like how I did 3 2 goal. It's like when you know you have gotten away with something that's like mechanically wrong, or not the best, rather, not the best. So then you like switch your swing up, and then when you switch your swing up, you go through that initial stage of scoring worse. But then see, like, that's exactly what that's exactly what my G is working because I want to be. It's working to make money that I want. I want to make a lot of money. So I'm just like, why wouldn't it be? I want to be. So it's swallow that I recently compared with trading. It's like really just learn something. I mean, I guess in some ways you could. I don't know. Actually, this is dangerous. I'm wording this. You want to always be improving. That like you always want to be getting better. The way we trade now, the way we trade now is fine for like working. I took like a one micro, like kind of fuck, like messing around, trying out a new thing. Jordan down here in Boston. Like my thing isn't a drastic change. It's just like I don't know how to even word it. I study all of them. Even though I know some of the concepts. I don't really know what you mean. Yeah, us. Still ending the day green. Oh, never mind. I mean, I think you should. I think you should study if you need to improve. Yeah. How would you? And I missed some questions. What's PB calls? It's me doing my one-on-one coaching calls for the mentorship. Nice boxy. I saw Petra took that too, I think. What did you guys see? I haven't looked at Asia. How did multiple of you sign that? What was the deal? Yes, person. Did you look at where ES was for that? Prism specifically. I can understand a desire for I just thought you were like brute forcing a change. No, I'm not brute forcing a change. I am implementing something, but it's not brute force. One of the things that Ronan actually said to me multiple times on like calls with him, not like calls like not calls like recording calls, like just like when him and I are yapping on the phone. Um, one of the things he told me over and over again was like the importance of developing your own distraction, like your own, not distraction, even your own perception of everything, like of the market, right? So up to this point, I had been really, really like black and white, trying to copy Ronan and Blake and Patty, obviously, but which there's not necessarily anything wrong with that. However, I also simultaneously want to get to the point where I have my own understanding and conviction. Like there are certain trades that I always want to take that I don't take because I'm following those rules so black and white. And so I knew that with the way that I see DOL, the way I see everything like that, it's more important for me to lock in and get my own fucking view of things. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time speaking right now. I took a 935 CIST short. I did not expect us to come back up to the high. We took the low valid or no. Subject. 935, 5 minute CIST short. Like meaning here, like you entered here. Yeah, I've been back to my stop loss a lot, huh? Alright, I can't, Sigma, for sure. I know the reasonable idea. The 1017 short was that this one? Didn't like it, Jerry. Look where ES was. ES was like edging this super obvious LR 30 minute. POE. Oh, what you asked about? Sigma, I gotta be locked in. Honestly, I'll read this after. I can send it after, but I want to still be focused on trading right now. CC. I took like a kind of fuck around micro trade with nothing crazy, but yeah, I haven't really seen. Like I took like a short down here. Terrible conditions. So mine was you take the second Judas swing after ES at the 15-minute. This is taking a half hour in nurse prep. So it was respecting 50% of the range. So it's been weird, yeah. I agree. Sorry, Leo. As long as you stay alive. It's always does some shit like that. That's why I don't use them. X is just known for doing shit like that.
How many shots?
That's the worst with yeah. That's part of why I rushed home today. Sad, but it's just sick of training like that. But
A lot of LR above, but instead of a forward, it doesn't matter. All the stuff you can sweep instead of this. Kind of a good side. This B minor setup is playing out, bro. I'm spaced as fuck. Ah, 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 ah.
I mean, I think it's kind of this is good structure, so maybe.
Problem.
Where's my Discord doing? Why is my screen not? What is happening? You guys can't see my screen right now. Just do it, man. That would never happen again. Yeah, I'm sure you imagine. I think my Discord might need to reset. Here, hold up, guys. I'll be right back. I'm gonna try and figure this out. My bad. See you guys, because we had that good structure. But
I also like going long.
I do think it's projected at a decent spot. That's hourly exposure. So I'd have to be pretty good candles, I think. Yeah, we might have missed the entry. For me to fuck around with stream, it's so annoying, bro. No way. What the fuck? No way. That's tragic. 1 minute, 3 minutes break even. This 1 minute would have been not so bad. Good, even. I guess it would have been kind of sketchy the 30 minute, but the 3 minute would have been its break even. You take a trade today? Yeah, I took like it's around 1 micro here. The loss I was trying to now. Hasn't really been any super legit setups, I don't think. Second 30 second was. You're right. I don't really know which 15 second you're talking about, but the second 30 second is valid.
There was no P03, there was no. We're taking this is the we are
Just
lot of really good lot of low high resistance over there, defending low resistance. All resistance, defending high resistance.
I just don't want to stay locked in right now for now. That's valid. I've been doing something similar. I've been journaling. I actually, you know what I did was I went back and looked at things my wins had that would make it so that I would fade them recently. You know, like I went to see if a lot of my wins had shit that was like some of the same shit that was making fade stuff. And so then that was good for me, honestly, because I saw that I had a lot of wins with some of the stuff that I've been overthinking recently. After when I'm done trading, I'm down to I just let it get to the lever real quick. I'm still kind of looking at this further. The structure is the upside. It's interesting. into your entries and getting feedback on the criteria that you looking at your break, having a break even is good. I didn't do it, but I will. Once I do the giveaway, I always just look through DM, so I'll see it. Get you in there. Check and make sure. CATT. Ella, for now, I like specifically, I really, or I just feel like the chance that this just starts to move. I don't know. It's really it's not good.
One minute ifvg to this triple equal highs. Wow, bro. I take it. Instead of a 4 hour triple equal highs, so break even on
That's
this.
our positions.
That's good. And most of the it could go. Prospecting 3, 30 minute ifvg, allow the loss, high resistance above us. I mean,
Yeah, it was so weird today.
take this. I like this more than the long, okay? Being 100% honest. Look at that tiny 30 minute FPG, clean as fuck. Nothing that is one that's below 3 minutes, 14 minutes, hold it up. I'm not gonna take it, but might be a trade. It's one more minute to inbox. Okay.
It's
Okay.
it's stupid short. Just trying something new. Yeah, I think this week for sure. The conditions have just been insane, like -LR versus LR. And Ronan called a great week. He would. He's AI. He's fake.
Yo, we got that inversion, bro. Holy motherfucking god. This would be a super ass rate. Take it down, yes. Okay. Super good, but we're not gonna take it. We are back testing, I will 100% take it. That's why I have no benefit on my back test. This might work to the idea is that I don't know, high RR also. No break here, boy, I'm going to the okay, good.
Or it's fake. Peace with that. This technically would be like a cat model short. Like choppy, just too choppy. Yeah, model, I'm gonna go over it honestly today. We'll go over it. I shall explain.
Holy fucking RR.
You guys follow your rules, it's okay. It always sucks, but okay. I'll go follow.
Let's drip this 30-second motherfucking shot. Drip this high time frame narrative 3 minutes fast. 30-second IFVG. Wow, super. Super. Bakuta.
It's horrendous.
Apa കഴിയുന്നു കഴിയുമ്പോ തരണം റെസ്യൂമ് വാട്സപ്പ്
It's nonsense. Safe to say this shit's good. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. So I talk. I'll be right straight. All right. I'll be right back.
Fucking done for the day, man. Lows, back, lows.
Every day lows. I'm such a fucking bad trader. L is a L, even if it is more. I lost one.